everyone, it's Paola. So today I am doing something very exciting and I am gonna go recreate Beyonce's Vogue cover flower hat thing. So I'm about to spend just like way too much money. I'm going to not look as good as Beyonce and I'm just gonna have fun because I just wanted to make it because I saw the cover. I'm not like trying to be shady or trying to like be Beyonce or whatever. I just saw the cover and was like, oh my god, the flower crown hat thing is so cool, it looks so good, and it would just be so much fun to like make it. I don't know. So I'm gonna go to Michael's and I'm in the parking lot right now and I'm going to spend a ton of money and not look good and just like try to be Beyonce. But really, I'm not really trying to be Beyonce, obviously, and I'm not trying to like take away from her cover. Like, it's crazy that I have to say that, but like I know people might be mad at me for even like naming that I'm this video like recreating Beyonce's cover. So I am going to just make it for fun, and I just wanted to tell you that I'm doing this for fun and not to be Beyonce.
Beyonce, sweetie, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that an ugly ass bitch like this would even say that.
Oh, I just wanted to say one more thing. I think the cover is amazing and I am very excited that there is a black photographer photographing Beyonce for the first time in Vogue's history, which I found really surprising. Maybe it's not that surprising. Maybe we need to keep Vogue more in check than we do. But, you know, I just think it's a really cool thing and it's a cover that should be celebrated, so that's why I'm just having fun and making the flower hat. So I'm in Michael's now, and I walked in and immediately saw someone I knew. So we're gonna play it cool. We're gonna hide, and we're gonna try to secretly film. And I'm gonna buy some flowers. Okay, so these are probably one of the most expensive that I picked up, but I feel like they can work for those like really bright green little like sticky flower pieces in the front. So important piece. Now I'm in the foam section and I'm going to get like foam that the flowers can stick through in a big shape so we can have this like hat shape on top of my head. Okay, post Michael's damage, it's all in here. Spent way too much money. Guys, I spent too much money and now I'm regretting all of this idea and it's not even gonna look good, but you know what, we're gonna do it. Okay kids, so we are back and now we are going to try to make this flower hat situation. I have all my flowers here, definitely bought a ton, and I am ready to go. I have a hot glue gun heating up. I got my little foam dome, and I got my kombucha, so I'm ready to rock and roll. So what we are going to do first is I grabbed a ribbon and I am going to put it onto this little foam dome because we need to get it to fit on our heads. We're gonna like attach it with hot glue so we can tie it around our head so we're not gonna like die when we put all the flowers on it. So as you can see, we're putting hot glue down and I'm just laying this down, but then I realized also that this little ribbon I chose has holes in it, so it kind of hurts when I'm trying to press it down into the glue, but you know what? We're giving it character. And now that you have already burned yourself multiple times with hot glue and still more to come, you're gonna just let that dry and we're gonna start cutting flowers. What's great about these fake flowers is that they have these little stemmy things that you can basically like pop off. Done. Ooh, these ones I got for 70% off. Easy peasy. They were one of the expensive ones too, like full price. These were more expensive than like more than half of these. And thank God I got them for 70% off, because these are not even, these are like cheap little fake flowers. I am no Beyonce. I'm not gonna put a crown of real flowers on my head. I am not fancy. And now let's just get to hot gluing, shall we? So we are obviously going to use the photo as a reference point, and I feel like we're just kind of gonna go in and go wild and just see how it turns out. So what I'm doing is I'm making sure that this side looks amazing because the other side is not in the photo. We're gonna put a lot of greenery back there. It's gonna like build it up. But you know, we're not gonna do it perfect. We don't have all these flowers. We ain't rich. We are getting so close. I feel it now. I feel like I've been building up around like the back and stuff to make sure it gets like bigger and bigger and fuller. So I'm gonna put more greenery, and then I'm gonna add more of these little purple pieces coming up and more of these like little dotty looking flowers up, and it's gonna be amazing. Ow! I really burned myself that time, guys. Okay, so what I've decided to do to make it fit on my head better is I need to like scoop out, like melon ball a little section out of here so I can just get it on my head more securely and look better and not just like placed on top of my head. If you want to do this on a hat, you can, but the styrofoam really helps with the stems, as I said before. So we're gonna scoop to scoop now. So let's give a final reveal.
As you are Beyonce, and as
so you guys, here we are with the final reveal.
Beyonce, sweetie, I'm so sorry.
Do I look amazing? Do I look like Beyonce? I think it's insane. But I had a lot of fun making it, and now we're just gonna have like a little photo shoot. We're gonna look exactly like Beyonce, guys. Beyonce.
Beyonce?
I look so crazy. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know if you want to see me recreate any other like iconic photos or something like that, or like DIY myself, I don't know, doing something weird. I don't know. If you want to see that, give it a thumbs up or comment down below. And also, I make other videos, so if this is your first time seeing me and you're like, what the heck is this girl doing? Subscribe and you can find out what else I do. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!
You guys are just jealous because all of my friends that know me tell me that I remind them of Beyonce. So you can